Hey guys, hope you're having a good day. So today's tip is never follow up with someone. I know a lot of people who are trying to sell products, they like to follow up with customers, but this can trigger a response from them where people are thinking, oh, well, maybe you want to just sell me something. I'm not really in the frame of mind to do that. There's no caring there. It's a matter of I'm trying to push my product onto you. And that's not necessarily a good thing, because at the end of the day, you don't know what's happened in the time that it's taken from the beginning, when you first talk to your client, to the time which you're at now. So try this one instead. Try, hey, I'm just calling to catch up with you. Now, notice this is a better psychological thing, because following means that you're behind somebody, they're in front, they're leading, right? So if they're leading and things are going bad, that's a problem, okay? Because the thing is, the follower isn't necessarily going to be able to deal with things that the leader can deal with. So if you're catching up with them, you're together, that puts you on the same level. It's the same level playing field, and it's really, really important to do that. And the thing is, you can talk to them. Just wanted to catch up with you, find out how things are going. They can then tell you things. This will allow you to open and expand. You can find out what's happened in the past couple of months, have an interest in your client. You can learn about all of the things that they've been going up to. And when you do that, you can then pinpoint new potential problems within somebody's business that you can help to solve. So you can give a little bit of advice, then you've got the reciprocity coming back. Reciprocity is really important in marketing. So it's really, really good, and it's much more personable to catch up with someone than to follow up with someone. Anyway, I hope this has been valuable to you. It's been very successful with me, so hopefully it will be successful with you as well. Anyway, you have a lovely day. Bye!